PLC kit by Abron Export. It has one plate which is for coating your glass plates or perspex plate, any one you can coat. We have provided this, you make a solution in this. There are some parts, this is for coating. There are adjustments. Here you can adjust the thickness of this. There is a one glass plate and chamber, developing chamber. Then there is one pipette is also provided. We have another plate for marking lines, etc. Atomizer for making any plate coating somewhere needed to make a spray, and one drying chamber. You can dry in air or you can dry in oven. Aluminium, there are many plates. We have provided the glass plates. So first of all, you prepare the solution, keep it inside this. This can move and chamber, the portion opens on the bottom. You can adjust it. You first of all, you put the solution coating chemical in this, make it upside down and manually move it so that 1 mm of coating is done, and then you close it again. After full coating, you can take out and dry in the chamber. This chamber you can place and then it can be put in the oven to dry, or air dry can be there. Now this is the first step, and then this is the development tank. You put the one plate, I have kept it just for sample. This is for closing the top. You put the solution, acetone or water or whatever is there. Or paper strips can be put like this inside, or you can put the glass plate. Now I want to show you one experiment which I have done just in the morning. There are different water soluble pens. This is a permanent marker, not water soluble. Again permanent but little water soluble. This line is for with this pen, and this line is with the permanent marker. So, and there are dots I have put. They are water soluble marker pens. I have put the dots. When you put this inside the water, because I am doing it only with the water, so this spreading is there. In this water soluble is there, not there. This black mark I did, kept it inside the water. Slowly you can see the changes. Now I am doing the same experiment, marking different spots with different colors. I am just putting in the water. Now you see slowly this water is coming up, and slowly this chromatography colors will start dissolving, and this is pure water, nothing else. Now this water is rising, you can see the water is rising, and slowly the water dissolved is also making some changes. I have just put it here. There are many videos available on the net. You can see the water movement of the water, and then slowly I have done this paper in the morning just before showing you this video. There are different colors of ink, different dyes, different spots can be maintained. There are so many paper chromatography and other chemical chromatography for chlorophyll, separating chemicals. This is a very useful experimental kit by us. Please visit. See, this is there. Please visit the abronexport.com and send us the mail by info@abronexports.com or info@abron.in. You can see these things. This is the kit, very cumbersome. The ready-made plates are also available by some very costly Wattman and TLC. Other plates are also there. You can use the same also, but you can do your coating also. Very easy setup by us. Thank you very much. Please visit our website for different instruments. Thank you.